Hi everybody, welcome back to day 7 of our CCNA lab journey. In today's video, we are going to see how to configure VTP. So let me take the two switches and I will explain to you with each command what the meaning of this command and what exactly is the VTP. VTP is a VLAN trunking protocol, which is a Cisco proprietary protocol. It helps you to manage VLANs centrally. Instead of configuring VLAN on both switches, we will configure on one and it will automatically create on the other switch. So first thing, we will open the CLI of switch 1. So this is our switch 1. So switch 1 will be our VTP server. The first command to enable the VTP is VTP domain Cisco VTP mode. There are three modes. The first mode is client, second server, third transparent mode. In server mode, you can create, modify and delete VLAN. In client mode, switches receive VLAN information from other switches but cannot create or delete VLAN. In transparent mode, switches forward VTP updates but don't apply them locally. So we will select this as a server and then we will apply the trunk mode on, which is connecting to other switch. So interface path 0/1 switch port mode trunk. That's it. Now if we run a show command, show VTP status, and here you will see the VTP domain name is Cisco VTP, operating mode is server. Similarly, we will open quickly the second switch and then we will type the VTP commands. The VTP domain, note that the domain should be same on both switches. And then we will type VTP mode. We will select here client. Again, we will select the interface which is connecting towards switch 1 and we will mode set as a trunk. If we go back and see show VTP status, here you can see the operating mode is client and VTP domain name is Cisco. So now let's test this protocol, either it will work or no. So switch 0 VTP mode is server and switch 1 VTP mode is client. First I will show you there is no VLAN other than default VLAN. So what here we will do, we will create VLAN 100. Let us create another one as well. You can see I have created two VLANs. Now if I go here and type show VLAN, you can see the both VLANs created automatically in the this switch. So that's it for today's lab tutorial. See you in the next video.